Welcome to the Science Discovery Channel.
Hi, I'm Hussein, and today we're going to talk about an interesting scientific discovery that could happen in the future. So, let's dive into the topic. Imagine a creature so tiny you need a microscope to see it, yet it can survive being frozen, boiled, irradiated, and even launched into space. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These microscopic animals, about half a millimeter long, look like pudgy little tanks with 8 legs and a snout. But don't let their cuddly appearance fool you. They're among the toughest life forms on Earth. Tardigrades have been found on mountaintops, deep oceans, deserts, and even the vacuum of space. So, how do they do it? Tardigrades have a superpower, cryptobiosis. When conditions get extreme, no water, high radiation, or freezing cold, they curl into a dry, dormant ball called a ton. In this state, they slow their metabolism to near zero, no heartbeat, no breathing, yet still alive. In the ton state, tardigrades can survive temperatures from negative 458 degrees Fahrenheit to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, pressures higher than those in the deepest ocean trenches and radiation doses that would kill most life. They've even survived outer space exposure during a 2007 experiment aboard a European satellite. Even more fascinating, scientists have found that tardigrades produce unique proteins and sugars that protect their DNA and cells. These molecules are so effective, researchers are exploring ways to use them in medicine, vaccine storage, and even space travel. So, the next time you think about survival of the fittest, remember the tardigrade. Tiny, tough, and possibly one of Earth's most indestructible life forms. Proof that sometimes the smallest creatures have the biggest secrets. Let me know in the comments how interested you are in science. Thanks for watching.